Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are showcasing our brand new Elddis Autoquest 196. It's done in 6 berth, 6 seatbelt motorhome, so it's perfect for families and is built by the trusted brand here in the UK, Elddis. So starting on the outside, our Elddis is built on a Fiat Ducato. This particular model is manual, although we can get them in automatic. 2.2 litre engine. It's 7.3 metres in length with the 2.2 width, and can also be driven on your standard driving licence, as it is 3.5 tonne. With amazing value for money in our Elddis range. I'm going to talk you around the outside here. So it's a 60th anniversary edition. You've got all your decals along the side. It comes with your Pro Plus pack as well. So your shower point is at this side, and at the other side we've got a barbecue point. We've got Fiat two-tone 16-inch alloys, so very smart looking. And then we've got our TV aerial on the roof, as you can see. We do have our reverse camera for that effortless manoeuvrability. And then round at this side, our gas bottles are kept. We've got our barbecue point. Now at the other side, beside the hookup, we do have a 230 volt 3-pin socket as well for all your outdoor gear. And towards the front, we've got a garage, so that's underneath your bench seat. You can access that from the outside and also inside as well. So sitting into the driver's seat, this is where the 196 really shines for comfort and usability. You've got all the driving aids up here in the front. Starting off, we've got our cruise control with our speed limiter. You've got your voice recognition there. You have auto lights, auto wipers. Just makes for a really scene-free driving experience. 6-speed manual gearbox. We're powered by 140 brake horsepower there. You've got your cab aircon. And then up to the front here, you've got your Pioneer infotainment system, so that's all fully touchscreen. You've got your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto with that as well, your DAB radio, and you've also got your reverse camera just above that. Stepping into the living space, this is definitely one of the more versatile layouts. Despite the van only being 7.3 metres, there is amazing lounge space. So your seat belts are tucked away in there, so you've your third and your fourth, your fifth and your sixth. This all can make out into a double bed. Just above me is an electric drop-down bed. Fully equipped kitchen here, thanks to the entertainment pack that comes with this vehicle. We've got USB ports, 2 3-pin sockets, and you've also got your dual oven and grill. So you have a separate grill to your oven. And you've also got 3 ring gas burners and an electric hot plate. Plenty of storage. And as I'm sure you can see, it is a nice and light and airy finish in here. We have our rear lounge at the back, so this pulls out and makes up into a double bed. You've also got storage underneath here, and I suppose if you had children you could actually leave that as 2 singles. You've plenty of storage, so you've got your wardrobe here with your hanging rail, the TV aerial is in there, you've also got your removable carpets tucked in there at the moment, and then you've got your chest of drawers underneath that. So your bathroom is situated just behind the kitchen. It is a wet room, so you've got your toilet over there in the corner, you have a bit of storage behind that, and your shower and your sink, so everything you need. So the settings to adjust the electric drop down bed is also in the kitchen area, so that just comes down with the press of a button, and beside that is our control panel, so that's just beside the habitation door, but it is all very user friendly, as you can see, and you've got separate controls for your water and your heating. So guys, if you'd like to find out more about this vehicle, come on down and see us at Thompson Leisure. You can give us a call on 028 9269 3999, or you can send me an email, and it's charlotte@thompsonleisure.com.